Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy curry recipe. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need fresh vegetables like bell peppers and onions, your choice of protein such as chicken or chickpeas, and aromatic spices like turmeric and cumin. Don't forget coconut milk, some broth, and your favorite curry paste. Having everything prepped makes cooking a breeze. Now, let's build that delicious flavor base. Heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onions and minced garlic, sautéing them until they are soft and wonderfully fragrant, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, stir in your curry paste and any dry spices, toasting them for about 1 minute to release their full aroma. It's time to add the liquids and let our curry simmer. Pour in 1 full can of creamy coconut milk and 2 cups of vegetable or chicken broth. Stir everything together, then add your protein like chicken pieces or chickpeas and any harder vegetables such as potatoes. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes or until everything is tender. Almost done. For the finishing touches, stir in any softer vegetables, such as spinach or fresh cilantro, during the last 5 minutes of cooking. This keeps them vibrant and fresh. Taste your curry and adjust the seasonings as needed. A pinch of salt or a squeeze of fresh lime juice can really brighten the flavors. Serve your warm, aromatic curry over fluffy rice or with warm naan bread for a complete meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.